Had the royal wig. I've known Woody, I don't know how long. I would like to say whatever. Me and Woody became connected through heartbreak. At a young childhood, we went through high school together. Woody was one of my, between these two, first experimental heads who let me play on their head all the time. Yeah. She came up with all the crazy hairdos. She's just grown to become more aggravating, more annoying, and more hungry as she gets older. You know? But she is the most genuine, truthful, down to earth, down ass, homegirl, sister, down for whatever, as long as it's in God's will.
Amen.
She keep it real with you 24/7, plus 7. You feel me?
On 7.
If you want the truth, don't ask her. Don't call her. You feel me? Stay in her lane. She knows she's annoying, but it's a great annoying. You feel me? And it's always love coming from Woody. And Woody will always help you clean when you're bending over. You will appreciate that crap. You feel me? But it's my nigga for life. No matter what you need, you know I'm here. Feel me? Prayer warrior. I appreciate you. I love you. Used to be thug, no longer thug. Retired Christian. Retired thug, no Christian. You feel me?
She's banging for Christ. She's banging for Christ.
As long as you feed her, you know she your nigga. You feel me?
Tell me about it.
I love
you know?
Don't cry. Don't cry.
My name's Sabrina. I'm Lee's younger cousin. I don't know. She's just always there for me, even though she may not seem like she even knows that she's being there for me. From prom, you did my hair, my makeup. You drove all the way from here to Fort Myers to do this for me. Ever since then, I was like, you know, family is important, and you know, I always got to stick with my family, so I appreciate you for that. And I don't know. That's it.
Hi, my name is Ventura. I met with me through my other job at Decor. She was the best HR representative.
Hey, that's right.
Cares a lot about the game. And I'm engaged to the little sister.
No one listen for you. And then so I met with Lee through my mom. I was brought home from the hospital, you know, we kind of picked it up. That's right. No, but she's like a really, really good big sister. She's always going to be there for you. She's always going to give you advice, even though you may not listen.
Right.
She's just very caring. Obviously, you can see she's very creative and talented, and she's willing to do whatever for anybody, whenever. She'll drop anything for you. And I love you, and I appreciate you, and happy birthday. Thank you.
So, hi everyone. I am Wendy. Willie's little sister, big sister, however you look at it from a size standpoint. With Lean, I love you. I want you to know I made this effort to come here because I know family is extremely important to you.
Yes.
And I had to be here, me and Christian. And I want you to know that we love you. We're here for you. We appreciate you through all the FaceTime and the support from being afar. Happy
Hi guys, I'm Nina. I met her 7 years ago by Wesley. But ever since I met her, I loved her. She's my favorite. That's my favorite cousin-in-law.
I'm not your favorite.
But she's someone good to talk to. If you ever need anybody, you can reach out to her. She's a good person.
My rib, you know.
That's
She
nice.
met my short cousin, 3 feet, that's right there. I love my cousin. Happy birthday. I will always be here for you. You know I will always be here for you. To help you brush your teeth, to help you, reach something that you can't reach.
I watched you blossom literally in my hands into a beautiful young lady. Like literally, you are a great mother, great mother. A lot of things that I've learned, I became a mother after her, and a lot of things that I've learned to become a mother, I've learned through her. Like any advice that I've had, when it comes to mothering, what should I do? She's sick, what do I need to do? Whatever. I've always, come to her. She has always been there for me when it comes to, helping me with, nurturing my child. So, again, I love you dearly. You deserve the best. I pray for you every night. I wish nothing but the best for you.
My name is Anne.
Yes,
I know everybody here.
Yes.
In
Canada.
every day. With Lynn, she's a daughter everybody dream of.
Yeah.
She's a sweetheart.
Yes.
She's a boss. I love her very much. She's my heart.
Yes.
I wish I can have 10 with Lynn.
That's right.
Crazy. I'm happy to see the woman you come from. You come today. I love it. I'm very proud. I'm waiting for the next thing.
Chapter.
Yes.
Yes. The next chapter.
What happened? Okay, guys, I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi everybody, my name is Wesley, in Dubai, sorry. We're here, that's like my little, big, mama, grandma, she's all that. We're like, they say like
Irish twins.
but you got twins, it's like one that's like godly, And the next one that's about that life. So, that's basically how we grew up. So growing up, I kind of got looking for all of them due to the fact that I gotta be the one to keep an eye on them. But at the end of the day, they do their own thing. I still get blamed. I should have kept an eye on them. And women was always there to say, don't do it, don't do it. But then I'm the daredevil, so I'm normally doing it anyway. But due to the fact that she was around, I ain't gonna lie, she kept me out a lot of trouble and looked out for me a lot at the same time.
Sorry, Mom. I think a lot of secrets.
A lot. I can say that. So being twins like that, we always had that relationship. In the same way, she I always tell her one thing about her, compared to everybody else that I met, she got a heart of gold.
Yes,
Meaning that when everybody say she'll come through for you, she gonna come through for you. Now she gonna come get you, she gonna talk that hell out of you. But she's there. I gotta say, because of that, I always gotta say that's my big sister, because at the end of the day, I know she got my best interest at heart. Even though I'm gonna do what I want to at the end of the day, I know she's gonna do it. And I just wanna wish you a happy birthday, and I love you.
Personal to me. This chapter 34 is personal to me. So I'm grateful for everyone that came here. And I just want y'all to enjoy each other's company. Remember that life is really, truly short. Remember that life is really, really, really short, and just love and enjoy and show love to people that's around you. Because you never know when it's going to be the last day. You never know when the person may not wake up the next morning. So it's always, the right thing to do is to always be there for people and always ensure that you give them their flowers by their life, guys. So thank you, each and every one of you, for being here. You know what? Thank you all.
We love you. We love you.